and come all the way down onto the mat. We start simple, we start basic, so you can focus on activating your abs. So lay down on your back, legs are bent, fingertips behind your ears. We're gonna crunch up and down. Before you start, lower your lower back. So tuck your tailbone under, draw the navel in towards the spine and the floor. Let's go, crunch, up, down. So here, in the basic exercise, you have lots of time for muscle-mind connection. So really think about that muscles which are working here. So you can get the most out of this exercise here. Think about your posture. There's enough place under your chin, preferably a fist fight. Elbows are facing to the side. When you're ready, 3 up. We go 3, 2, and down for 1. Let's go up, 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 and down. It's just a crunch, so keep your lower spine grounded. Lift your head and your shoulder blades. 3, 2, 1, and down. Exhale, 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 inhale. Good, keep going. Woo! Make it burn. Feel the power in your straight abdominal muscles. 3, 2, 1. Last one. Now hold it at the highest point. We're gonna pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, stay high. 4. Woo! 3, 4, 3, 2. Rest your head on the ground. Relax for a second. Now, again, for the next exercise, make sure that you keep your lower spine grounded. Press your arms into the floor, and then we're gonna lift the legs alternately up into the tabletop position. Let's go. Up, up, and down, down. Switch and start with the other leg. So start with the right and the left alternately. Okay, up, up, down. Keep your lower spine grounded. Press your arms into the floor if you need the support. If you need more, lift your arms up to the sky. Good. Maybe you want more, lift both legs at the same time. So up, up, and down, down, up, up. Woo. So don't just drop the lower legs. Tap down with the big toe as you bend your legs at a 90-degree angle. Up, up, down, down. Last 2. Now hold the legs in the tabletop position. Push your knees outwards. Out, drop, in, and lift. Here we go. Join me when you're ready. So you push the knees out, drop, press the knees together, lift. Out, drop, bring it in, and lift. Let's go, team. Abs are burning. Now, stay low with your legs. Come back into the crunches, up and down. Up and down. Now rest your legs on the floor. Stay turned out, so your knees are heavy. Keep your heels in the air to keep your ankle and your lower leg in one line. The last 8, 7, 6. Let's integrate the obliques, the lateral abs. So we're gonna lift the right and the left leg, and we're gonna go for diagonal crunch. Let's go. Up. Stay turned out in your legs. Elbow towards your knee. Shoulders are low. 8 more. 7, 6. Point your feet. Bring tension in all 10 toes. 4, 3. Let's go for a progression. Hold it in the air. Extend your leg. Come back the same way. Switch. Amazing. Team, This is your last exercise. Fight with me. Huh? Extend, bend, and lower. Come on. Crunch, extend. Crunch, extend. Let's go for 2 more. Last one. Good. And relax. Extend arms and legs. Check it out. Thank you so much for working out with me. I really enjoyed it. I hope you too. If you didn't know it yet, we also have some live streams via Zoom. I hope to get to know you there. Let's chat, let's work out together. I can give you real-time feedback there if you want to. So don't miss it. You can find the link over here or continue with one of my free YouTube workouts over here. Hope to see you there.